Enemy UAV detected. Hardcore domination. Hostile care package above. Hostile UAV established above.
Enemy offline.
Rule number 1. Read the manual.
Enemy UAV detected. Hostile UAV established above.
Kelly Samo grenade.
Securing Alpha. We're losing Charlie.
Shot was good.
Zone Alpha captured. Enemy UAV detected. We've lost Charlie.
Enemies two.
Taking B.
Body drop. Kelly Samo grenade.
Hostile UAV established above.
Eyes on hostile long gun.
Bravo is ours.
Standing by.
Rule number 1.
I need
Read
eyes
the
overhead.
manual. Rule number 1. Read the manual.
Active inside.
UAV commencing surveillance overflight.
Enemy SAM locking onto your UAV.
Hostile RCXD incoming.
UAV has been destroyed.
Losing B.
Rule number 1. Read the manual.
Multiple hostile UAVs detected. Skewer release detected. Losing
My
Bravo.
teammates aren't real, bro. There's no shot they're real. They have to be bots.
Enemy double barrel.
My
Hit.
teammates are
Sniper
bots.
fire.
Like, they're not
Losing
real
B.
players.
Bravo lost. Enemy UAV detected.
My entire team is negative.
EKIA.
Hostile UAV established above. Enemy care package detected overhead.
UAV available for tasking.
You lose 10,000 XP per team kill, you dumbass. Not only are you 15 and 37, but you also lost 10,000 XP.
Enemy RCXD detected.
Target deleted.
CUAV prep for launch.
Hostile skewer inbound.
Establish
Hostile
UAV.
care
I could be
above.
I could be drunk and play better than my team. That's crazy. I
Enemy
might actually
UAV
drink
detected.
if I get you guys in my team again.
UAV is being targeted by a SAM turret.
Enemy Hellstorm launch detected in your AO.
Sniper
Contact
fire.
with UAV has been lost. SAM turret engaging your counter UAV. Hostile forces destroying UAV.
I don't know how you knew I was up there, but I'm just like my teammates. We're all trapped.
Hostile UAV established above. Enemy care package detected overhead.
My teammates are trash. Yes, they are. My teammates are trash.
Fucking trying. How old are we?
My teammates are trash.
Enemy UAV detected.
Ah, dude, you bitch made.
My teammates are trash. You're 21 and 42.
Yeah, I'm also doing calling cards.
Do it in core.
Fuck right off, quit crying, be a fucking man maybe. It's a fucking video game. You bitch the whole video game, the whole game. That's all you done is cry. Like a little bit.
Charlie.
God, I hate to be your
Losing A.
fucking husband. I'd hate to be your husband. So I know you're fucking gay.
Teammates are trash.
We're losing Alpha.
Teammates are trash.
They are pressing their advantage. Take
That
control
sounds like you
of
live
this.
with grandma. How's that
Locking
going?
down Charlie. Hostile UAV established above. Enemy C
Oh,
UAV
not allowed to say
established
now.
overhead.
Fucking pussy.
You're at the bottom, bitch. Shut up.
I'm doing calling cards, bitch. Shut up.
Pull
You're
back.
at the
Mission
bottom.
is a
You're
failure.
at the bottom. You're below me.
You live with your fucking grandma. Shut the fuck
We need to
up.
be sharper.
You're below me in leaderboard, bro. And you're also below me in IRL because you're 5'6". Shut up.
It's a video game. If you take it that seriously, you got mental problems. If you take it that seriously.
I don't take it serious. I at least play objective.
Bro, you
Unlike
sat there and
you.
cried the whole